In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to redeem an OpenTable gift card with simple steps. If you've received an OpenTable gift card and you're ready to use it, the process is usually quick and straightforward. I'll walk you through it clearly so you know exactly what to do from start to finish, and I'll also point out a few small things to watch for along the way so everything goes smoothly. To begin, go to the website using your preferred browser. You can use a computer, tablet, or phone as long as you have a stable internet connection. Once your browser is open, visit the OpenTable Gift Cards Redeem page. Make sure you are on the correct official page before entering any gift card information. This is important because gift card codes should only be entered on a trusted website. When you reach the Redeem page, look for the field where you can enter your code. This may be labeled as the activation code or the gift card code depending on the page layout. Carefully type the code exactly as it appears on your gift card. Take your time here because even one incorrect letter or number can cause an error. If your code includes both numbers and letters, double-check each character before moving on. After entering the code, click the button that says Validate or Redeem. This step tells the website to check the code and apply the gift card. In some cases, the page may take a few seconds to process, so give it a moment to load. If nothing seems to happen right away, avoid clicking multiple times too quickly, since that can sometimes create confusion or duplicate attempts. Next, you'll be asked to add your details. Enter your name in the appropriate field, and then provide your email address. Make sure the information is entered accurately, especially the email, since this may be used for confirmation or future communication related to the redemption. If you're filling this out on a mobile device, it can help to pause for a second and review for any autocorrect mistakes before continuing. Once those details are filled in, confirm the information you entered. This is your chance to review everything one last time, including the gift card code and your personal details. If all the information looks correct, go ahead and submit it. After that, your redemption should be completed, and you'll receive your reward. At that point, you can continue with whatever the gift card is intended for and enjoy using it. And that's it. That's how to redeem an OpenTable gift card quickly and easily.